these stock turbos. Cool little run though. My car's still cold. I shouldn't even have did that. My shit's still cold. Raining a little earlier. Ground's still pretty wet right now. It's definitely drying up. I don't know if it's gonna rain again, but for right now we got some good roads ahead of us. So let's get back to it. Man, that 335, I should have followed that 335. That would have been a good enough little race. But he's still stock turbo, so I know he didn't want none of the smoke. But still cool guy though. E90 335. I think he had some work done. Probably had some downpipes because my car was still cold and I was flooring it, and he was kind of still hanging right there. But then again, he does have that, you know, that low end torque. So hopefully we can run into more people like him because he was cool. But we about to hop on this freeway real quick and get to do some more driving. Right now we're headed to the grocery store. Gonna go to the Whole Foods store, grab me some breakfast real quick. I'm gonna show y'all what I get down with. You know, it's organic Gibbs. You know I eat healthy. me some mighty watermelon juice, and I'm about to go to the food bar, grab me a bowl, head on out. This place is got everything in here. Gotta shop at Whole Foods. Organic Gibbs shops at Whole Foods. Used to do the same. Food section, drink section. So I'm gonna grab my food and then head on out. Package secured. Got me my fresh watermelon juice, and then we got a veggie bowl. It's gonna be a good breakfast. That mighty watermelon. It's that good shit right here. Put y'all on. Back to the whip. Back to the whip, package secured. Package is secured, so we finna go back to this driving. It's a nice Mercedes right there. Nice AMG right there. On the way home, gotta go smack my package, grab my drink too. So I'll see you on the next one. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. More content to come, more great videos to come. Definitely stay tuned. Leave a comment down below if you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.